The soft zone is a concept introduced by Josh Waitzkin in The Art of Learning. It refers to a mental state characterized by a relaxed yet highly focused mindset. Waitzkin describes the soft zone as a state where the mind is calm, clear, and receptive, allowing for intuitive decision-making and creative problem-solving. It is a state of relaxed concentration where individuals are fully immersed in the present moment, free from distractions and self-doubt. The soft zone is often contrasted with the concept of the hard zone, which is characterized by tension, stress, and mental strain. In the hard zone, individuals may experience anxiety or self-imposed pressure, which can interfere with performance and hinder creativity. By cultivating the soft zone, individuals can tap into their natural talents and abilities more effectively. They are able to perform at their best while remaining calm, centered, and adaptable in the face of challenges. The soft zone allows for optimal performance without the need for excessive effort or strain. Overall, the concept of the soft zone underscores the importance of finding a balance between relaxation and focus in achieving peak performance. By cultivating a soft zone mindset, individuals can unlock their full potential and achieve greater success in their endeavors. One aspect of the soft zone concept that might not be widely known is its connection to the principles of flow psychology, as proposed by psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. Csikszentmihalyi defines flow as a mental state characterized by complete absorption in an activity, where individuals experience intense focus, enjoyment, and a sense of timelessness. In many ways, the soft zone described by Waitzkin aligns closely with Csikszentmihalyi's concept of flow. Both the soft zone and flow involve a state of relaxed yet highly focused attention, where individuals are fully immersed in the present moment and performing at their best. They share characteristics such as a sense of effortlessness, heightened concentration, and a feeling of being in control. While Waitzkin's description of the soft zone is grounded in his personal experiences as a chess prodigy and martial artist, it reflects broader principles of optimal performance and psychological well-being.